how to update TikTok on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can update the TikTok app on your Android device. Now, to do so, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store. Now Google Play Store, open it up. You'll get an interface like this. Now on the top you can search for TikTok right here and TikTok will appear, and open up the app, and if the update is available, you'll find the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. However, if the update is already out and you're still not getting the update on your device, then it might be that the update isn't available in your region yet. So you might want to wait for a few hours until it releases on your region. If that's not the case, and if you are still not getting the update, then you might want to reset the app. To do so, scroll down your notification bar and head into settings. You can see settings icon on the top right corner, and if you scroll down below, head into apps. Once on apps, search in for TikTok, and once your TikTok opens up, head into its stories, and what you want to do is clear the data. Now this will reset the app particularly, and then once you do this, once you reset the app, head back to your App Store, Play Store again, and then search in for TikTok, and now this time you should be able to get the update option. So this way you can update TikTok on Android. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.